As promised earlier, I said my last video for today is a neroli toner. Okay, so we're going to make our neroli toner today featuring betaine powder. Just like I said before, from clinical trial and you know, from my own clients, you know, I think testimonies, right? Testimonials. Betaine powder, it's a very solid moisturizer. And today I'm going to show you how to use it to make a toner. So here is the formula I'm using. So get your notes ready and let's get the formula first. The first thing I'm going to use is neroli hydrosol. Neroli hydrosol has a lot of, you know, moisturizing properties. One of the best hydrosol for making a moisturizing toner. So we're going to use that at 96.5 gram. Okay, we're going to use betaine powder at 3 gram. Okay, then we are going to use my preservative of choice today is EUXYL P9010 preservative at 0.5 gram. I'm choosing 0.5 gram because the neroli hydrosol is already, you know, preserved, so there's no point putting excess preservative in your product. So get ready. I'm going to take this away. You can buy all this ingredient at pureblendnaturals.com. Everything used today and other great skincare, DIY and cosmetic formulation ingredient can be bought at pureblendnaturals.com. So let's get to the heart of the formulation proper. So get a clean bowl, a clean beaker. Remember, like I always tell you on this channel, don't just use any beaker. Okay, make sure your beaker is proper, is clean, okay, and well sanitized. So spray with isopropyl alcohol. You can look in the description box below for where to get your own isopropyl alcohol. Right, so spray with isopropyl alcohol, then you're going to get to work. So spray with isopropyl alcohol and just rub it gently or just hang it to dry. You can let it air dry by itself, but because we don't have much time on our hand now, we are going to do this quickly. So get your scale. We are going to first weigh our betaine powder. Okay, measure 3 gram of natural betaine powder available at pureblendnaturals.com. 3 gram of natural betaine powder. This is our humectant of choice, a very powerful humectant. For skincare. Make sure you cover it very well. When you eventually get this Pure Blend Natural, make sure you cover it very well because it's a very powerful humectant that attracts moisture. So keep it in a airtight enclosure. Then we're going to add 96.5 gram of neroli hydrosol to that. Okay, neroli hydrosol, also available at Pure Blend Natural. 96.5 gram. Betaine powder, just like it will dissolve in water, has excellent solubility in hydrosol too. Okay, so we want to make sure we mix that very well. I'm using a stirring rod here, so we're going to, even before I stir it, the betaine powder is already so after mixing that is the first step, right? So we're going to add our preservative. A lot of questions I get asked is that, do I have to check the pH of my product before I add my preservative? You don't have to. Okay, just add your preservative to it and check the pH. If the pH is not compatible, you can lower it yourself or, you know, raise it. That's okay. That's okay for your preservative to work. So just mix it, add your preservative. Okay, this is a preservative I'm using, EUXYL P9010. See the link in the description box below for where to get every ingredient I used today. 50 gram, 0.5 gram of that. Take away your scale, mix it well. And adjust the pH. That's about it. So make sure you check the pH and adjust it. Mostly it's likely that this pH is going to be okay. I don't think you need to do much adjustment. Just make sure you check the pH that is compatible with that of the skin. The pH of the skin is between 4.8 and 5.5, so make sure you adjust the pH to be within the limit. If you like more acidic products, you can leave it as 4.5 to 4.8. If you want to stay with a safe range for the skin, you can adjust it to between 5 and 5.3 or 5.5. Okay, so that's it about it for this video. I hope this video is of help to you. Just make sure you package it. After checking the pH, make sure you package it in a compatible container. What container should I use? The best container that I always recommend for your skincare products is either you use PET container. They're biodegradable, they are good for the environment, or you use HDPE containers. You can find most of this container at Pure Blend Natural. All this container, they are all Pure Blend Natural. And what's the best container for my toner? A container of this type is solid for a toner or even a serum. See this this kind of container is good for your toner. I always tell my friends, you can use this container. Do not use this opening for a toner, okay? Do not use this opening for a toner. Be careful. It's not the best for a toner. It's okay for oil, but not for a toner, okay? It's also okay for shampoo, right? But this type of is not. But if it's the one that open at the top like this, if you have a smaller one that opens from the top like this, that's okay for your toner, okay for your shampoo, okay for your lotion. All these are available at Pure Blend Natural. If you look at the packaging section at the top, you see everything there. Even this openings, this one is also available there. You can use this to package your toner, package your lotion, you know, multi-purpose, even for shampoo. Okay, sorry, I got lost at that time. So that's about it for this video. I hope this video has been of help to you. So just enjoy your moisturizing toner. Depending on the preservative you use, the clarity might take maybe sometime between 4 to 6 hours. So don't worry if it's not as clear as you want it to be. Just mix it well. If you have an overhead stirrer, you can use that also to mix it, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching with me today. If you want to learn more about cosmetic formulation, this is a channel for you. So click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.